Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Still going to be a cold day today, at least cold this morning, cool this afternoon, below average high temperatures. But we do have a warm up heading our way starting tomorrow as high pressure builds in. And it looks like we're going to stay dry into the weekend, too. That area of high pressure will build into our west. That's going to start to warm things up. So today we're still in the 60s, still below normal. But by tomorrow, we're climbing back into the 70s. Now, on the eastern edge of that ridge of high pressure, we will be tracking a series of disturbances that will reinforce that dry air across our state and bring some periods of high clouds and some breezes at times too. One disturbance on Thursday brings snow to Colorado, but we won't see any rain in our state. Just a few high clouds working their way through Thursday evening into Friday. Forecast looking dry for the valley and across the state. Then we've got another disturbance on Saturday that will bring some slightly stronger breezes, but we're still not going to see any rain. We'll stay sunny to mostly sunny through the weekend. Then early next week, we've got another storm system that'll clip by. That one bringing more clouds, but not enough moisture for rain chances. We will likely get some stronger breezes, though, especially on Tuesday. So looking at a dry stretch to finish out the month. Today, still cool, a high of 63 degrees with those winds lighter out of the west between about 5 and 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Clear skies. Our UV index in the moderate range. That puts our burn time at about 45 minutes. So if you've got plans to be outdoors for longer than that, certainly make sure that your skin is protected. Our air quality doing pretty good in the good range. No weather alerts and no storm chances again in our forecast to finish out the week. Today's high temperatures will end up in the low 60s across the valley. 30-year average is 68, so we're still running more than 5 degrees below that average high in many spots across the valley today. It'll be another cool day across the state, too, with highs in the 40s in Flagstaff, 43. Today in Show Low, we'll reach those 50s in Prescott, Sedona, up to 57 this afternoon. Phoenix hitting 63. Then tonight, we're back down into the 30s to low 40s, so it will be another cold night with temperatures down into the teens and 20s across northern Arizona. It'll be cold tonight, but not as cold as the temperatures that we're feeling here early this morning, but you'll still see plenty of upper 30s to low 40s. Today's high temperature up to 63. Then we start trending up with a high of 70 Thursday, 71 on Friday. It gets a little warmer Saturday with occasional breezes and a high of 73. Then mostly sunny and 72 on Sunday. Still in the 70s on Monday, but we'll drop slightly into the upper 60s by Tuesday. Again, that 7-day forecast looking dry.